Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Valentine's Day Sonic, let's begin by drawing the nose. So I want to start right here, and we're just going to go ahead and make a little oval shape for the nose. Next, on each side, let's go ahead and draw a little line that curves down. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're going to come down. And then same thing here, we're going to curve this up, and we'll just come down right to here and meet. Now let's make the mouth. So starting here, let's begin by making a line that curves up. And then we'll make another line that curves here, and we're going to bring this up. Then let's go ahead and draw two lines down. Now let's work on the eyes. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve this down here. Now, to make the pupils in the eyes, what we're going to do is let's go ahead and make an oval shape like this, and then we're going to make an oval shape like this. Then I'm going to make a little oval in here, and then I'm going to make another little oval in here. Then we can go ahead and color in both parts of the eyes. Now let's go ahead and make his eyebrows. So starting here, let's make a line that's just going to curve up, and then it's going to come down. And then we'll do that same thing here, just kind of come up and curve it down. Now let's make the ears. So starting here, let's make a triangle shape. We're going to come up to a point and then down. Then we'll do that same thing over here. Just bring this line up to a point and bring it down. We'll make another triangle shape here, a little bit smaller, and we'll actually fill in the bottom. And then we can do that same thing over here. Up, down, and then just kind of fill in the bottom. A little bit of a curved line. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve this line up and down for the head. Now, right here, let's make the hands. So I'm going to make a bump here, and then I want to make a little bump over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down and around here. Then we're going to do that same thing here, kind of curve this down and up to here. Now for the heart, let's make a line that's going to curve up and down, and then one more right here. Then we're going to make a big V shape like this. We're going to make a line here and a line here. And then another line here and another line here. Now let's go ahead and draw the shoes. So I'm going to make an oval shape like this. And then I'm going to make another oval shape right over here. Now right here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve right to the hand, and over here, just kind of shape out that foot. Then we'll do another one here, kind of bring this down right next to the hand and then curve it right along the bottom. Then let's draw a curved line here and a curved line here for his socks. And same thing, curved line and a little curved line right there. Now let's draw 1 and 2 little lines for a stripe. And we do that same thing over here, 1 and 2 little lines. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines across for the bottom of the shoe. And then same thing here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. Now, I want to put his spikes on each side. So to do this, let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come down to a point, and we're going to bring this back. We can do that same thing over here. Just bring this down to a point and bring it back. Then I'm going to come down to a point here and bring it here. Same thing, down to a point here and bring it here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little Valentine's Day Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.